Welcome to your dream home in Mississauga's coveted Heartland community at 5957 Candlewood Court in Mississauga. This 4-bedroom detached home linked only by the garage with 9 feet main floor ceiling, approximately 1900 square feet, offers elegant space. Step inside to discover a spacious great room, perfect for family gatherings, and a solid oak staircase that adds a touch of elegance. Step into a modern life-size kitchen featuring granite countertops and a brand new electric stove, perfect for kitchen lovers. Enjoy the convenience of main floor laundry, making your daily chores a breeze. Upstairs, find your 4 spacious bedrooms with wood flooring, ensuring both style and comfort. The finished basement apartment, complete with a separate entrance, offers potential rental income or an ideal in-law suite. Step outside to a generous backyard featuring a patio deck, perfect for outdoor entertaining. Additional features include central air conditioning, 9 feet ceiling on the main floor, and a cozy gas fireplace. Located minutes from Heartland Town Center, Square One, and with quick access to highways 401 and 403, convenience is at your doorstep. Do not miss this exceptional opportunity. Contact your favorite Mississauga realtor, Pardeep Jassi, at 416-629-3480 to book your private viewing for this home. Or you can also visit my website at www.pardeepjassi.com.